Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make a level and how to get it featured. That's really easy, just follow these easy steps. And just the first step is give it a creative name, like featured please. Okay, good. Then you find a song that everyone loves, like this. Then you use that. And step 2 is making gameplay. And you could just add some blocks here, probably a smiley like this, and this already looks fabulous. And I want to wait, do this, and let's just add some blocks here. Now it looks like you should go down here, but you really don't, since there are spikes here. And of course you have to add an alpha, uh, which hides the objects, and you want to do it with these blocks. Now people can see where you are supposed to go, and only you can verify this level. This level will be too hard for everyone to beat. Okay, now they're gone. And step 3 is making some decoration. And I like to use the rainbow, since they're colorful and everyone loves them. So just add them like that. Yeah, I actually think you're good to go. You just have to play the level, verify it. Oh, this is hard. I have to do this. Okay. Yeah, the level is verified. And now you can upload it and just say GG, uh, 3 ats. Okay, lol. And yeah, and if the, uh, okay, you just have to request something like a demon. And yeah, you're good to go now. If the level doesn't get fame like right now, the fame will sure come over the night. So just wait to see the likes flow in. Okay, so thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope it helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.